Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox and take a closer look at the Grand Seiko Maneki-neko. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Grand Seiko Maneki-neko, or beckoning cat figurine. I'm just taking a look at the details of the box packaging. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by sliding off the outer box sleeve and just setting that to the side, setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look at the inner or blue box packaging for the Maneki-neko. And on the underside of the box there are some details of the box packaging. And now let's go ahead and open up the box by lifting up the box lid, just setting it to the side, setting it on the right hand side of the tabletop and giving you a look directly inside of this box with the Maneki-neko. So you can see the overall white and blue colourway and design of this beckoning cat figurine, and just giving you a look as it is before I take it out of the box and handle it. Now let's go ahead and of course lift it out from the box now, or tip it out, and of course just checking through to make sure nothing else is left in the box packaging, so giving you a look at the rest of the box packaging. And we can of course close that back up, but before I do that let's check the underside of the box as well. So there we go, you can see an indentation for the fitment on the underside of the box lid for this Grand Seiko Maneki-neko. So just sliding the box back into its sleeve and setting it on the left hand side of the tabletop, and now giving you a much closer in look at the Maneki-neko. So as you can see, it is wrapped in a clear plastic bag packaging, and let's go ahead and take it out from it. So now we have the Maneki-neko in hand, straight out of its clear plastic bag packaging, so we can see the details much more clearly now. And it does have the Grand Seiko branding on its belly or underside. And on the base there is a soft pad and you can see the overall high gloss details and finish of this Grand Seiko Maneki-neko. And to give you some sense of its size, just resting it in my palm and holding it as well. And of course, once again, a much closer in look at its details, so we can see the pointed ears, and once again that rich or dark blue contrasting against that pale white main body color of this cat with its beckoning right paw, or yes, it is the right paw, just making sure right there. And of course the Grand Seiko logo or emblem on the back, as well as the Grand Seiko script at the front of the cat's body or belly. So let's try and give you a much closer in look at the overall details and aesthetics of this cat. So you can see that very high silver finish on the collar, and ball of this cat figurine. So triple color with the white, silver and dark blue, and we can see some other details with the colouring on the back of its right paw. So overall details right here with this Grand Seiko Maneki-neko. So just setting it on the tabletop to give you a clear and unobstructed look at this cat at the front and at the back of it. And of course the side profile as well. And to give you some sense of this ceramic figurine, just tapping my fingernail around the various parts of it. So that's the Grand Seiko Maneki-neko. Thanks for watching and happy displaying!